If you're someone who is using Google Chrome browser and wish to change your search engine, then look no further, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to change search engine on Google Chrome. I'll first show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. Now on your mobile, you want to open Google Chrome, and at the top right corner of your screen, you want to tap on the three dots. Under this, you're going to see settings. Tap on settings, and then under basic, you see search engine. Tap on search engine. Here you'll be able to switch to any of your preferred search engine. Although on mobile, you'd have few search engines you can choose from. So select your preferred search engine and then hit on back. Hit on back and this will save your settings. Anytime you make search on Google Chrome, your search engine will now be your preferred option. Now on PC, open Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll till you find settings. Click on settings. And at the sidebar, you will see search engine. Click on search engine and then click on change to change your search engine. You have more options in this section. Select your preferred search engine and click set as default. So thank you for watching this video on how to change search engine on Google Chrome, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.